promise that I will be there for you when our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to laugh with you in good times and comfort you in bad. I give my hand to hold and my life to keep. Together, we are better than we could have ever been. My one true love, these are my solemn vows.
Over the years, I have known Kim to be a very confident, a very hardworking, a very assertive person. Kimberly was never wrong for me. I can tell you that. Today, Mr. Rose, you have chosen a very beautiful wife. Beautiful inside and out. And ladies and gentlemen, just raise your glasses with me as I say a happy life to Kimberly and her husband. Blessings.
I met you in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I wasn't enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you'd never know, 'cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go.
To Mr. and Mrs. Rose, many, many, many well wishes, and I love you all.
To a grand old, just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you'll get better. You